copying a list. For example, let's have our original list, this one here. Let's call this my list underscore OG, and then let's say list underscore copy equals to my list OG. Now list copy dot append. Let's say we append lemon, and then let's print here the original list, my list original, and then let's print here the list copy and see what happens. If we print, we can see the original list has lemon and the list copy has lemon. We see all have lemons, so this is you have to know what you are doing here. Get rid of this problem, we just have to use the copy method. The copy method can help us to have the list copy and avoid all the lists have these lemons. For example, we may decide to write like list copy here. The list copy should be my list OG, then use the dot copy method. Let's see. Now if you use the dot copy method and then try to print this, let's see what happens. Now you can see that the original list does not contain the lemon. So this is how we can go around with this problem. Now let's talk about